Hello and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee and I love to cook. Cooking for me is therapeutic and my love language I love to share with everyone. As you will see, some of my videos will be short and simple, while others will be longer and more complex. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button to show me some love and watch my latest videos. Today I will be showing you my time-saving breakfast cups. My family usually gets gourmet breakfast, and that can be time-consuming. So I love to make these ahead of time so it could be a quick preparation in the morning. It's inexpensive, fast, and I can continue to move on with my day. These breakfast cups are great to freeze and will help you to have a smooth and easy morning. I hope you make these and enjoy the video.